Yeah, hello everyone. I have a problem here with an iPhone 7, which is not starting properly. It keeps starting with a logo, Apple logo, then disappears soon. Disappeared and is connected to the charger. Trying to start it. Watch with me. This is an iPhone 7. Trying to start. Apple logo is there. Yeah, come on. Yeah, and it's gone. It's not starting. It's not starting. Let's keep wait and see. It looks like stuck in a loop, trying to start and will never start. I'm lucky enough to share with you this experience. It happened to me. I decided to share it with everyone to benefit from it. How to solve this problem if it happens to you is simple steps to follow. Will show you exactly what to do with this. Look with me exactly how it looks and what I've done. The phone is here, unplug it and it's gone. Trying to charge it, plug it again, plug it. I plugged it in, trying to charge it. Yeah, the cable is there, it's connected, and the Apple logo is there. Trying to start up. It's not going to start, of course, and I've been trying this for long enough. Suddenly this happened to my iPhone 7. I'll try to solve this problem with you. Please carry on watching till the end to benefit from how to help yourself if it happens to you or to anyone you know. Thank you very much.